We have 2 programs up and running. So we have Smart Cities, which is really focused on Austria and Central Eastern Europe, as well as Travel and Hospitality, which is for our European partners. And this is the hub where they can all come together and meet.
Liebes Team von Plug and Play, liebe René Wagner, ich darf euch ganz herzlich zu eurer Büroeröffnung in Wien gratulieren.
More than 2 years ago, we thought we should become one of the innovation hubs in Europe. And finally, we found Plug and Play, and it was a perfect partnership so far. I'm totally convinced that the challenges we face now worldwide can only be overcome through innovation.
We're really happy about the great interest and turnout for today's Selection Day here in Vienna, and we're especially proud to announce several new partnerships to our platform, which is something that cannot be taken for granted in these challenging times.
We are very excited and proud of being part of the network of Plug and Play, because we always try to think out of the box, and our expectation is to get new ideas, new impulses from this innovation network from Plug and Play.
Well, I'm convinced that for all of the drama of the current crisis, there is an opportunity in it to build a future of mobility, actually. And this can only be achieved together, and ideally on a global level. And with its worldwide ecosystem, Plug and Play is just a perfect partner for that.
We're trying to do everything to make the restart after the COVID crisis as intelligent, as innovative as possible. And that's why I'm here, to get new ideas, to talk about innovation with you guys.
It's great to be back somewhere, also in meeting people in person, not always behind a camera. So it's very nice, and you feel also very safe in here.